Welcome down to Paultons Park. It's a very quiet day here at the park. Now what I want to show you today is obviously the reviews we'll have of Realm of the Vikings over the next few months, to be honest, while the area is closed off to us. Of course, Magma is still there at the moment. It is being torn out. Lawrence did boast some nice pictures of the volcano coming out, and we can kind of just about see it as well. You might be able to see it through here. We're going to get a close-up as much as we can soon. And of course, construction does continue on Realm of the Vikings as well, but it has been closed off from where we expected all the way around. It looks like they will take down the fences on the inside, so we will get a better view. But in terms of aerial shots, unfortunately, Magma's gone. Then you can still get quite a good view from Flight of the Pterosaur, which we won't do today, but we will do going forward. But yeah, when I'm standing here looking at this, and we will get a close-up now. The volcano's already come out. Now, as you can see from this side, Magma is still in the park, but of course it has been parked up. Nothing's come off yet. And as you can see down here, it has started to be removed. Well, certainly the volcano has been removed. Obviously that needs to come out first, control system, and then the tower will be collapsed. Work continues on the roof for the Drakon building. As we can see, it looks like they'll be adding some decoration to it very soon, some aging effect, and we will get to see that from this side of the park as well. It's very weird to see it sort of all quiet over there with Magma, Cobra and obviously Edge all closed. We'll get you a close-up here shortly as well, as groundwork has continued with pins in for the field. There is a look at the veiled swing. A lot's happened to the groundwork even since we were last here, with pins and everything in ready for the swing to arrive very, very soon. Side of the building has come along really nicely, and you can see the trim is done since we were last here as well. There'll be aging effects on this and other bits going on the roof, which they were doing when we were last here. And then of course, Magma down the bottom. You can see the volcano coming out. Won't be too long until the ride comes out and the view changes as we await the Eurofighter. Here is a wide view of the area. So yeah, detail is going in. There is building detail going in. It looks like they're starting work on Cobra as well. Certainly checking out a few bits and pieces as we await Magma to come down. But yeah, still lots going on at the park. Temporary fence at the moment. That'll be permanent, I'm sure, very, very soon. And we'll see exactly what views we can get over the next couple of months, but it's still exciting. I cannot wait to see this all change. Hopefully we get to see Cobra change as well with its new color scheme, and get to see the Eurofighter reach to the sky. As expected, at the moment we have a temporary fence that runs right the way across here, across to the donut stall. Now we do expect the boards inside to come down, because obviously they'll need to landscape and do everything, so the view will open up very, very slightly once all the permanent fencing is in, I think, and we'll still get a good view. And let's face it, the coaster is going up right there. right there, so I can set a deck chair right here with my popcorn as they'd like, and watch it. And I can't wait. Hopefully it arrives while the park is still Monday to Friday. If not, we will be here at the weekends to check it out. But yeah, temporary fence at the moment. I don't think it will be too long though, as they're working on it before we get a full one.